subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched two new smartphones under X series globally called Poco X5 and Poco X5 Pro with 5G support. Among these two, the Poco X5 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Now let's see the specifications of the Poco X5 Pro 5G smartphone. The Poco X5 Pro 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and up to 900 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5 GB by using Dynamic RAM Expansion 3.0 technology, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Poco X5 Pro 5G supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 108 megapixel main camera with a 1.9 aperture, along with the 8 megapixel ultra wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, and there is 2 megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16 megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on MIUI 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.91 by 76.03 by 7.9mm, and it weighs around 181 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the Poco X5 Pro 5G smartphone. The Poco X5 Pro 5G has been priced globally for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at $249, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at $299, and it is priced in India as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in black, blue, and yellow color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco X5 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.